Hey guys, I want to do a quick review on Pythagorean theorem. Okay, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, a and b will be the two lines that touch the right angle. Okay, it doesn't matter which one's a and which one's b. Okay, the one that does not touch the right angle is c. Okay, so we're going to solve one real quick that is missing c. So I'm going to do this real quick. Okay, these are a and b. Again, it doesn't matter which one's which. So let's go 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. Okay, 3 squared, 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4 is 16. We don't know c squared, so we rewrite it. 9 plus 16 is 25. Again, we don't know what c squared is. Okay, now there's nothing else to combine, so the only thing to do is get c by itself. We undo squaring with square root. So if you square root one side, gotta square root the other. Square root of 25 is 5 equals c. Okay. All right, let me do one more. We use the same numbers, so actually let's go with 10, 8, and this is unknown. All right, so here's our right angle. Here's a and b, because there are two lines. So we're missing either a or b. Again, it doesn't matter which one you make a or b here, as long as it's an unknown and 8. So let's go with a squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. Okay. So we don't know what a squared is, so we rewrite it. Plus 8 squared, 8 times 8, 64. 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, so this says a squared plus 64 equals 100. Well, I gotta get this a squared by itself, which means we gotta get rid of the plus 64. We do that by subtracting 64. If we do it to one side, we do it to the other. A squared equals 100 minus 36, or sorry, 100 minus 64 is 36. Okay, that canceled out because 64 minus 64 would be 0. And then now we have a by itself except for the squared, so we square root. A equals 6. Okay. And again, a or b will always be a shorter side than c. So if our c value is 10, that told us a or b, or in this case a, which we were missing, had to be less than 10, which it was. And here, c, which is always going to be the longest side, has to be the greatest side. So 3, 4, our longest side was c.